Yes, another one in profit. Let's move on. This is amazing. Yes, that's how you fucking do it. We are in profit again. I love this job. Hey everyone, I'm Leah, a trader with 6 years of experience, and today we'll be trading together. Well, more like I'll be teaching you how to analyze the market better, so you'll always know when to enter trades and when to avoid them. And let's go! By the way, all the topics I cover in my videos are broken down in more detail in my Telegram channel. Make sure to subscribe, stay up to date and gain knowledge with me, your favorite trader. Let's get back to the video. First off, let's switch to candles. We'll set a 15-second time frame. The expiration time will be 60 seconds. I'm placing a $700 trade. Now let's choose a few currency pairs for convenience. We will also add a couple of indicators. First, I'll click on the Keltner Channel and configure it. I'll set the ATR period to 18. Then click OK. Let's add a second indicator, moving average with a 14-period setting. Before saving, we'll make the line thicker so it's easier to read on the chart. Finally, the last indicator, MACD, open the settings and set the values to 8, 18 and 5. Save that. Alright, we're good to go. Time to look for some trades. We'll open a buy trade. We can see the price has come close to our moving average and we are also about the zero line on MACD. Plus, we are in the upper half of Keltner Channel, so we expect the price to rise. Let's watch. So far, everything looks great. Oh, come on, sudden drop? What the hell? But wait, it's holding. Hold on. Yes, that's it, money, babe. That's what I'm talking about. Whew, guys, let's keep this fire going. And we will open another buy trade because we're still about the moving average and MACD showing we are about the zero line. And let's see what happens next. Price is bouncing around like crazy. Oh, wait. Boom. Price is bouncing around like crazy. Look, that jump. God, this is so beautiful. Alright, final seconds. Don't screw this up. Pocket. Yes, another one in profit. Let's move on. This is amazing. This time we are going for a sell trade because we are in the lower part of the Keltner Channel. Plus, we are below zero on MACD and below the moving average. We've got 3 solid signals that the price is about to drop. Let's see how it plays out. Alright, here comes the price wobbling again. Oh man, I'm not feeling this one. Come on, just drop already. Just drop, please. Yes, that's how you do it. We are in profit again. I love this job. And now let's open another sell trade. All the indicators are pointing down, so we should be good to go. Yeah, you see. Wait, what? The price is going up? Seriously? We've got 30 seconds left. Come on! Don't do this to me! Damn it! This one is a loss! But hey, no big deal. We've still got plenty of cash left. Let's bounce back to the next one. Alright, let's go big and make a double buy trade to cover the loss. We are coming up to the moving average. MACD is about the zero line. This is going to be a win for sure. Let's watch, guys. Oh man, this is stressful. We are up, but it's hanging by a thread. Come on. Come on. Don't you dare drop on me now. Yes, yes! First training profit. And the second one is too. Holy shit. We are up thousands of dollars. Thousands of dollars. That's how you trade, people. I am calling it a day. I am off to pop some champagne and binge watch some shows. That's it for the lesson today, guys. Thank you so much for being here with me. Your support means the world, so please hit the like button and leave a comment down below. And if you want to see more trades, just message me on Telegram. Who knows, maybe we could even trade together. That'd be fun. See you soon, guys.